In a time when the U.S. faces a skilled labor shortage and a global race to reindustrialize, Data Mentor delivers operational excellence by turning every role into a higher performing one. Instead of drowning in dashboards or waiting on experts, every employee gets an AI mentor agent fluent in the best practices of their job. The mentor agents contextualize the plant's data, processes, and history, bridging the gap between the way the old generation learned on the floor and the way the new generation expects to learn through technology. These agents don't replace people, they amplify them. Supply chain leaders gain predictability. Finance leaders see energy, chemical use, and waste reduced, and compliance teams get reports generated automatically, aligning the whole enterprise around operational excellence.